Petit Scholars Program is developing the next generation of young engineering, science, and talent.
It's a very prestigious program on Georgia Tech's campus.
It challenged me in ways that I didn't know that I need to be challenged in.
Sometimes top students just need a small window of opportunity to make a really big difference in their lives. The Petit Scholars Program started in 2000. This is a program where students can come in for a full year and get a research experience to learn what research is really like. The Petit Institute is an interdisciplinary research institute that combines 140 different faculty and over 1,000 students from 10 different academic units at Georgia Tech. And the purpose is really to catalyze research at the interface between biosciences and bioengineering.
It was very intimidating to be thrown into the lab with all the graduate students, everybody who had their own projects, and I'm just coming into Georgia Tech. At the same time, it was exciting because I knew that the work and the project that I was on was very important.
We have a broad array of laboratories. There are 16 different interdisciplinary research centers that are supported in the Petit Institute with research ranging from cancer to regenerative medicine to biomaterials to drug delivery. And so the students can choose from among any of those projects that meets their interests.
The cool thing about this program is that the graduate student or postdoc submits an idea, something that has to do with their research, and then it's the scholar's job to look through all of the different proposals that have been submitted by various labs and choose the one they're most interested in.
The graduate students actually serve as mentors on the project. So they're getting mentorship training, which is very important for the graduate student training, while the undergrads are actually learning about research.
Undergraduates have an enthusiasm for research that is untamed, and often they're ready to do anything and ready to go, so it's contagious.
The program really emphasizes you being part of your lab, not just an undergraduate helper, so you're participating in meetings, presenting journal articles, that kind of thing. And being able to communicate with people in that way, I think, is a really valuable skill that I'll be able to take away from the program.
The program is open to any Atlanta area institution. We've had students come from Agnes Scott, from Spelman, from Morehouse, from Emory. The goals of the Petit Scholars Program really first and foremost are to attract top students to science and technology, to have them continue to go on to do advanced degrees. And over 80% of our students that go through this program do go on and obtain advanced degrees in science, technology, and medicine. So that's goal number one. Another goal certainly is to help to feed the innovation pipeline with top talent.
As a CEO, I know that technology is only a small part of my company's success, that the greatest part of our company's success is related to the talent and the people and the energy that they bring to the enterprise. The Petit Scholars Program is developing students of the highest quality who come with ready skills and help project us forward. So I think it's important that we, as executives in corporate America, continue to fund programs such as this so that we can raise up the next generation of leaders in our companies.
Petit Scholars are funded through the generosity of alumni and friends of the Petit Institute. It's not a lot of money that's required, but it's probably the largest return on investment that you could get by directly investing in a young researcher who has great ideas and will see those ideas through to fruition within a 1 or 2 year period of time.
The greatest gift that I got from the Petit Scholars Program was to have the choice to go into research, to go into industry, to go into product innovation, and to understand it all, and somehow pull all of that together and aim high.